An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform certain actions. The following lists describe the different operators used in Golang: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. This arithmetic operators table, you can use it as a reference. This assignment operators table, you can use it as a reference. This comparison operators table, you can use it as a reference. This logical operators table, you can use it as a reference. This bitwise operators table, you can use it as a reference. First, we create three variables: a with a value of 10, b with a value of 10, and c by adding a and b. The result is printed. Next, we create variables x and y with values 15 and 25, respectively. We then replace the value of x with that of y. Finally, we will print the results. After that, we perform an addition operation on x by adding the value of I using the plus equals assignment operator. Finally, we will print the results. We also perform a subtraction operation on x by subtracting the value of I using the equals assignment operator. The results are printed. Lastly, we perform comparison operations using the equality equals inequality, equals less than or equal to, equals and greater than or equal to, equals operators. After running the code, the results should align with the described operations. Exercises. Number 1. Declare two variables, a and b, with values of your choice. Perform and print the results of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Number 2. Declare a variable total with an initial value. Use assignment operations to add, subtract, multiply, and divide the variable by another value. Print the variable after each operation. Number there. Declare two Boolean variables, is sunny and is warm, with values of your choice. Use logical operations, AND/OR/NOT, to determine if it's a good day for outdoor activities. Print the results. Question 1. We will create two variable declarations, a and b, with values 10 and 5 respectively. We will then print the results of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Finally, we will print the results. After printing, we will execute the program. Question 2. Next, we create a variable with a value of 50. We will perform various assignment operations on the total variable. First, we will add a value using an assignment operation and print the result. Then, we will subtract a value using another assignment operation. Finally, we will print the results. Afterward, we will multiply by 2. Finally, we will print the results. And divide by 3 using assignment operations. Finally, we will print the results. Question 3. For the last question, we will create two Boolean variables, isSunny and isWarm, both initialized with default values of true. We will then create conditions using logical AND and OR. The first condition checks if both isSunny and isWarm are true, resulting in true. The second condition checks if either isSunny or isWarm is true, also resulting in true.